Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Simple recipes, easy to make. Today I'm going to share with you another very easy and refreshing recipe, steamed eggplant in hot and sour sauce. And the ingredients are also very simple. Let me show you. I have 2 eggplants. How do you know eggplants are fresh? First of all, their skin should be shining like this and also very firm. Of course, I bought them a couple of days ago. I stored in the fridge. They're not as fresh as days ago, but still good. So we just need to get rid of the stem. And cut in half and half. That. Now I place them in the steamer with the skin up like this. It's okay to stack a little bit like that. Now I'm ready to steam the eggplant. The water is boiling. Let's place the steamer and cover it. We are going to steam about 7 minutes. Alternatively, you can also boil them. Now I'm going to make the sauce. I have 6 cloves of garlic. We're going to mince it. So raw garlic used a lot in Chinese cooking. If you are like me, I know most of you guys don't eat raw garlic, but I'm showing you how to use it in the sauce. So basically we're going to soak the minced garlic in water. And we're going to use the garlic water instead of the minced garlic. And I have 1 green onion, chopped finely. And I have some cilantro leaves, just chop roughly. And 2 fresh chili peppers. If you like it spicier, you can add more. Can also remove the seeds if you don't want too much heat. So next we're going to put the sauce together. We add green onions, cilantro, chili peppers, and a little bit of salt. And this is the homemade chili oil. You can list the recipe in the description box below. And light soy sauce. Just so you guys know, light doesn't mean low sodium, because the dark soy sauce has dark color, right? This light color. And this black vinegar, chincon vinegar, and it has a sweeter taste than white rice vinegar. You can use both. This one's sweeter. And our garlic water. So of course, if you have time, let it soak for 20-30 minutes. So we just strain it like this. It's going to have a garlic flavor, but we're not going to eat the raw garlic. But if you don't mind raw garlic, go ahead, use minced garlic. So mix this well. And just taste quickly. Wow, just 2 chili peppers. It's spicy. Okay, our sauce is ready. Our eggplant also ready. Wow, beautiful, right? Let me take out. So we'll let the cool off before we dress it. Now the eggplant cooled done, so we can hand tear like this. Or you can just use a chopstick like this. Right? Or use your fork. Yeah, our eggplant has been hand torn into shreds like this. Now we just dress with our sauce. It smells so good. So simple, right? Our eggplant is ready. Let me try it. Cheers. Sauce so good. Hot, sour, and there's a hint of garlic flavor. Like I said, if you cannot take raw garlic, you can use garlic water, as I did. Still has a flavor. Not as strong, of course. If you liked my eggplant garlic sauce, you'll like this recipe too. I'm going to list the link of my eggplant garlic sauce. And this is even easier to make and so delicious. If you cannot eat spicy, can skip the hot oil and chili peppers. Actually, just add some sugar, so you can make sweet and sour, right? If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.